Hi BALTSPACE colleagues, this is Antje from s.Pro, and this is also a premiere because I've never been on YouTube before. But I will not show you how to apply nail polish or make hairdos, but I will show you how to make a Work Package 3 tool training module. And I will focus on the technical part of this task. But still, first of all, I want to do a little bit of recap on what are Work Package 3 training modules. Then I will talk about the equipment that is needed. I will take you through the installations and settings. And then I will show you how to do the actual recording. So we all know our Work Package 3 training. We all know our Work Package 3 tools. But in the application, we had said that we would produce training modules for these tools. So we want to show, develop demonstrations of how to apply Work Package 3 tools. Our target group are maritime spatial planners or other users of our tools. And these training modules are meant to be supplementary to the Work Package 3 tool handbook. So the content is more or less the same, but the format is different. And speaking of format, so we want to produce YouTube clips, not unlike the one you're just seeing now. And we do that with the help of screen recording. So as I do now, you will show a PowerPoint presentation and take the user step by step through your tool. And you're also very welcome to use specific or apply specific software that you may have used. In terms of division of tasks, the screen recording is with you, and this has several reasons. On the one hand, I think it's really nice if the tool owners kind of personally take the users to their tools. And in addition to that, I also don't have the necessary software on my computer. So that's why you would need to do the screen recording, but don't worry, it's not super difficult, and I'm also available and ready to support you, of course. In terms of equipment, you need a computer, of course, and then we will install the Open Broadcaster Studio, which is an open source software. And you also need a microphone, but a regular headset also does the job. So I think the list of equipment is really manageable. And now we already come to the installations and settings part. I would have liked to take you through the installation and settings also with the recording or via recording the actual steps. However, that doesn't work because I'm already now using the software, so I cannot install it and start with settings from scratch. So I've done that with screenshots, but I think they will also, and they also work for the purpose. So you open your browser and you type into your search engine Open Broadcaster Studio. And then you go to the OBS website. Make sure you catch the correct one, which I've highlighted here with the red rectangle. And what is really good with this software is that it's flexible in terms of operating systems. So you can use it from Windows, Mac, or Linux. And then you select your operating system, and I've done that for Windows. The steps may slightly differ if you use a different operating system, but I think most of us use Windows. And again, in case of questions, please get in touch. So we have selected the Windows symbol, and then you click on Download Installer. A window opens and you click on Save File. When the file has downloaded, you open the downloads in your browser and you click on the downloaded file. A window opens and you click on Next. Then the license agreement pops up. You of course read it through and then you click on I agree. A window opens and you click on Next. Another window opens and you click on Install. And you wait while the application is installing, and then you click on Finish. The software starts automatically, a window opens, again the license agreement, and you click on OK. And then another window pops up, you click on yes. And then you select optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming, so the second radio button, and then you click on next. Another window, and you click on next. Another window, and you click on apply settings. And then the software opens. You right click on the black rectangle and you untick enable preview. So you see there's this little tick, but by clicking once more on that term, you untick it. The resulting window should look somewhat like that. And then you click on the plus that is below sources. You can see it close to the number 1. And then you click on display capture right to number 2. Window opens and you click on OK. Another window and again OK. And then you click on File and on Settings. You go to Output, you see the number 1, and then you determine where the file should be saved using the Browse button. And the window remains the same. You click on Apply in the lower right corner and you click on OK after that. In case you've made any changes to the settings, you close and restart the application so your changes become active. Okay, so that was already it in terms of installing and making settings. And then we are already at the recording bit. I will show you now how to do the actual recording. I will leave PowerPoint for this purpose. The first thing you do if you want to start recording is you plug in your mic. Then you open the software, OBS Studio. In my case, it is already running, which you can see here. This icon has a red dot, which means that I am recording. But you open the software, and then the window looks like that. And here you see a range of buttons, including a stop recording button. In my case, if I weren't recording right now, the button would read start recording. We can also minimize the window and access the start and stop recording buttons through a right click. So when you start recording, everything you see on your screen and everything you say into the mic is recorded. And you can then open PowerPoint, show slides, go to the software, show something, go back to PowerPoint, and so on. And when you are done, you right click and click on stop recording. Actually, that's already it. So if you then want to watch the video, you go to the folder where the video is saved and you play it, for example, with VLC Media Player. So give it a shot. I think it's not so difficult. And of course, if you have questions, you know how to reach me. Bye bye.